Hey everyone, I want to show you how to set up your own javelin for home so you can be best prepared for your upcoming Spartan race. All right, let's hit it. So first you need to set up your javelin. This here weighs just about the same as a normal standard issue javelin. So what I did is went to Home Depot, got a dowel, it's about a 5-foot dowel. I got a tennis ball, put it on top of that. You get that at Walmart, get it online for a few bucks. And then I put a towel over the top of that, wrapped it with some duct tape, and we're ready to go with a nice solid javelin. All right, now for our target. So I simply need a 2x2 foot square to throw the javelin through. So what I did is got 2 6-foot poles from Home Depot, got some string between them, and then used some blocks on each side just to keep some good tension, and we're good to go. So let's throw this thing. All right, so now we're about 20 feet away from the target here. We want to get a nice balance point on the dowel here, nice even weight on each side. All right, we're going to simply wind up 1 foot in front of the other and chuck it through like that.
Go do your quarter mile.